So I'm always looking for ways to stay healthy, and I came across this liver detox and cleanse, and I thought our liver is so important that we definitely need to take better care of our health with our liver. And so I was checking out this product, and what I like about it was several things. First of all, they're gummies, and they come in a package like this. And the flavor that I have, as you can see, this is what they look like. They're actually just a gummy that come wrapped, and this is a citrus punch fruit flavor. I will say it's not like a real sweet taste to it. It's almost like there's a little taste, it's just not a lot. And I also take like vitamin C gummies that are kind of a real fruity flavor. So I take my that vitamin with my liver gummy, and I taste more of that fruit. I'm not saying these don't taste bad, they don't taste great. They have a fruity fruit punch taste to it, but it really isn't strong, I guess is what I'm trying to say. But the other thing that I really like about it is these don't have like artificial dyes in it. There's non-GMO, so they've taken all the bad stuff out, and everything that you're getting, it's third-party tested, so that was important to me as well. But it has like all the important things our bodies need, like, you know, your vitamins A, vitamin E, zinc. It's got like ginger, turmeric, just things like that that is good for a good detox. So I take 2 of these a day. Sometimes I'll take 1 in the morning and then 1 after lunch, and that will get me through the day. Sometimes if I forget, I might take 1 a little bit later. But overall, I really like these. I feel like it's helping, like if you have digestion, want to help your immune support, and just help your liver. These are great. I don't mind taking them. It sure beats mixing like the powders and stuff like that. So highly recommend if you're looking for a good liver detox.